Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage weight with Weight Watchers, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the core principles of Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers uses a points-based system to help you make healthier food choices. Begin by signing up for a Weight Watchers program. You can choose between in-person meetings or a digital plan, depending on your preference. After signing up, take the time to learn about the Smart Points system. Discover how each food item is assigned a point value based on its nutritional content. Next, track your daily food intake using the Weight Watchers app or a journal. Be diligent in recording everything you eat to get accurate insights. Make meal planning a part of your weekly routine to stay on track. Choose meals that fit within your daily Smart Points allowance. Incorporate a variety of foods to keep your diet interesting and satisfying. Stay mindful of portion sizes, as this directly impacts your points balance. Consider engaging in physical activity as part of a balanced approach to weight management. Consult the Weight Watchers community for support and motivation. Connect with others who share similar goals for encouragement and tips. Adjust your goals and strategies as you progress to keep things challenging and engaging. Regularly revisit and evaluate your food choices to ensure they align with your health objectives. Stay committed to your journey, practicing patience and persistence. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but adopting a healthier lifestyle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.